Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to install Windows 1 with mouse support on VirtualBox. The first thing to do is to go on this website and download MS-DOS version 3 and then install it on the virtual machine. Download this. I have already done that. Now let's create the virtual machine. Select other Windows, next, create the virtual hard disk, next, 100 megabytes are enough, create. Now let's change some settings of the virtual machine. Let's add the floppy controller and select the disk 1 of MS-DOS version 3. Let's start the virtual machine. Okay, now I am gonna install MS-DOS version 3 on the virtual hard disk, so follow the steps. Okay, we have installed MS-DOS version 3 on the virtual machine. The second step, I'm going to download, patch and install Windows 1. So go select this and download this. Then go on Windows 2 and download this. We will need Windows 2 to patch the mouse driver into Windows 1. So let's go to Windows 2, open the setup disk. I am going to use this program. Okay, select the mouse driver and extract it. Cut it and paste into Windows 1 folder. Now let's open the setup disk of Windows 1. And replace the mouse driver. Save. Okay, I am going to install Windows 1 now. Select disk 1, type A and do setup. Okay, 1, 2, 6. Okay, select the build disk. Okay, select the utilities disk. No, because we don't need a plotter. Font disk. Application disk. Right, disk. Perfect. Now Windows 1 is installed. Let's check if it works. Yes, it works. Now, if we want, we can also do some improvements to our virtual machine. For example, we can change the screen resolution by changing the scale factor, and we can also make Windows to start automatically when the virtual machine starts. To do that, follow the steps. Save. save, close, oh sorry, close, end session. Okay. Perfect. Let's see if it works. Yes, it works perfectly. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.